Hello, welcome to our virtual poster presentation on FASEB DataWorks. My name is Emily Ruff. I'm the community manager for this program, and I'll be talking today about how we're building a culture of data sharing and reuse in the biological and biomedical research community. This program is run through FASEB, a federation of 28 professional societies representing both biological and biomedical researchers. As a program, we're really acting as a convener to bring the community together and help them understand that data management and sharing is not only possible in research, but it has very clear benefits, and there's a lot of expertise and learning that the community can use to grow from and advance their own experience with data management and sharing. Our work is really influenced by the Center for Open Science Strategy for Culture Change, which helps us to understand that DataWorks is really focused on making data sharing and reuse both rewarding and normative. So the program right now is focused on those incentives and community spaces that can really help to accelerate the uptake of data sharing and reuse in the community. The first program I want to talk to you today about is our DataWorks Salons. This was an initiative launched in September of 2021 that really brings the community together to have a conversation that is both facilitated and informal and help people learn about and understand some of the ways that they can use data management and sharing in their research. Here are some of the topics that we've had in our salons, and we'll continue to have these on a monthly basis and invite you to participate in the future. We see these not only as an opportunity to have a conversation, but also as an opportunity to develop resources that can support data management and sharing practices afterwards. So what you're seeing here is an example of a snippet from our salon on the 2023 NIH data management and sharing policy, where people can learn about the policy directly from NIH representatives, from data librarians, researchers, and those who have been doing work to understand how to comply with and use this policy as best as possible. So these are snippets that are available free of charge, and anyone can come back to and use, not just for their own learning, but also for their peers. We're really curious how these community conversations and the resources that we're developing can really support that future of data management that we envision. One where data management and sharing is a norm, where it's something that people understand and something that people see as a real asset to their research practice. The second initiative I want to talk to you today about is the DataWorks Prize. This is a new initiative in 2022 that launched in May to recognize and reward leaders in data sharing and reuse, and also create an opportunity for the community to learn from those people, both in their practices, but also in their approach to how they've used data sharing or reuse to advance their scientific discovery. We partnered with the NIH Office of Data Science Strategy to offer a $500,000 prize purse in 2022 across up to 12 monetary awards. And right now, we're in the application period, which will close on July 19th, and then we'll be issuing the awards in January of 2023. You can see the website here where we can learn more about the prize and see who's participating in some of the ideas as the award moves forward. What we're excited about is that we have more than 100 teams participating, representing more than 425 researchers who really have indicated to us that the community wants spaces to be recognized, rewarded, and be able to learn from their peers about what's happening to use data sharing and reuse to advance research. We're curious how this can really be a catalyst for making these practices normative, not just by highlighting them through stories of the awardees, but also by showing the interest and drive within the community for recognition of data sharing and reuse as a practice that helps advance science and discovery. Some of the program goals that we're also working on are helping people understand and navigate the 2023 NIH data management and sharing policy, creating that community space where people can engage in a more regular basis beyond the salons, and also thinking about what resources can support the community to understand and integrate those best practices and data sharing and reuse into their work. We know that those resources are out there, and we're really curious about how we can be a convener and really bring those resources to the forefront of people who are curious about and really wanting to do more data sharing and reuse, but need some support to start out. We would love for you to join us in our DataWorks initiative. Here's the website and our GitHub where you can learn more about our work, and also catch us on Twitter and email us at any time. Thank you for attending our poster, and we look forward to seeing you at a future salon or in our prize meetings in the future.